Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by creating a 9:16 project and importing your footage, music, and overlays. This immediately aligns everything for Reels. Tap composition settings to confirm 1080 x 1920 and 30 fps. Why? Because consistent frame size avoids cropping later. Once the clips are in, trim rough cuts on the timeline so you work with the best moments. Make sure to add your track and mark edit points. This speeds up pacing decisions and sets a clear structure for the edits that follow. Now you refine clips. Use keyframes to animate position, scale, and rotation that creates dynamic motion for Reels. Apply masks to reveal overlays or to isolate subjects, then switch blend modes to integrate color and light. Once done, add easing to keyframes, slow in and out around 0. 5 to 1 second makes movement feel organic. Also, nest compositions for complex sequences so performance stays smooth, and preview at full speed to confirm timing with your music cues. Finish by color grading and balancing audio so your reel looks polished and plays well on mobile. Export using H.264 MP4 at 1080 x 1920, target bitrate 6 to 10 Mbps for quality and small size. This matches Instagram limits. Once exported, preview on your phone to confirm framing and audio sync. If something goes wrong, clear Alight motion cache, lower preview quality for performance, and verify codec compatibility. These fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.